Okay, we're going to start from the beginning. I have sourdough starter in here, just up to here. And now I need to feed it. So in feeding it, we're going to put like a cup of flour in there. And then get something to stir. I use a chopstick. Well, I don't know if this is a chopstick, but like a chopstick. Anyway, so it's too dry. If we just stir it in the flour, you have to add water, okay? So then get some, any temperature is fine, doesn't have to be, I mean, it should just be room temperature. And then we're gonna add some flour and stir it up. I used to do 1 cup of flour and a half a cup of water. I just found it wasn't necessary to be so precise. So this is a little less than a whole cup of flour adding in. Mind you, you don't want it too runny. So just stir it and stir it. And if you can see it, it's a little bit too thick, almost like it's kind of like frosting. I want it a little bit thinner. So not as thick as nice vanilla frosting as it looks. And this is more like it. Okay, so thicker than pancake, but not as thick as heavy duty frosting. Okay, that is what gets it fed. And I had just taken out the jar of this little bit of starter I had in there from the refrigerator, and then I started showing us. So a quart glass jar works great. There's products that have, you know, like a crock pot, a little crock pot. This is not as convenient than if you have a straight-sided quart jar, but I don't. So that's that. So then it gets fed, and I just put the lid on, not screwed on tight, and then it just sets on the counter. And then that's it. If I wanted to, because it's so active, in 4 hours from now, so just after 6 this evening, if I was going to be home, I could start the first rise, they call it. Okay? But the recipe is one that will come with the starter, and you can follow that. But that's how it gets started, with the starter.